In this video, I will show you 4 simple steps on how I earn my first $1,000 with affiliate marketing and how you can do the same even if you are a beginner. And at the end of this video, I have a really cool bonus for you. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. So first of all, in step 1, you need to find a good affiliate product to promote because everything will start from good affiliate product. So there are basically 3 main evergreen niches that you can choose to find a product to promote, which is health, wealth, and relationship. And these 3 niches are evergreen niches because you will always find a good affiliate product to promote inside these 3 niches. And you will see lots of people are telling you that you need to choose the product from the marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, etc. Because lots of products inside these marketplaces are crappy product. And that product will not help your audience to solve their specific problem. So I highly recommend you to don't choose the products from the marketplaces. Instead, you can promote private affiliate products. So there are lots of private affiliate products that you can promote. Suppose you want to promote the softwares, then you can promote ClickFunnels, Systemy.io, etc. Then there are lots of different private affiliate courses that you can promote. So right now I'm also promoting a private affiliate course that teaches people how they can be a better affiliate marketer. And you need to choose a product that can solve the specific problem for your audience. So it doesn't matter which niche you are in. You need to find a good affiliate product inside that niche that can actually solve the specific problem for your audience. Because if you select any crappy product and that will not solve your specific problem of your audience, then your audience will never gonna trust you and then they will never gonna purchase anything from you. So you need to find a good product that can actually solve the specific problem of your audience. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then only start with one product. Don't promote more than one product at a time. So just focus to promote only one product on the back end. You can create your funnel as well as your email automation sequence to only promote one product. And if you want to promote more products, then you can promote a products on the back end, but not in the front end. And if you want to know which product is good, then just go to the social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and see what others are promoting in the same niche that you want to choose the product to promote. Suppose you are in a wealth niche. So just go to the social media platforms and search like make money online, affiliate marketing, crypto, finance, and you will see that lots of people are promoting the same course or same product or same software. Then you also need to promote the same product. And don't worry about competition because you will promote the product in your unique way and you are unique. So don't worry about competition and promote the same product that lots of other affiliates are promoting. Because if they are promoting the same product, that means that product is already selling. So you need to promote the same product that lots of other affiliates are promoting inside the same niche. And if I talk about myself, then right now I'm in a wealth niche, and inside the wealth niche, I'm in a make money online niche. And inside make money online niche, I'm in affiliate marketing niche. And right now I'm doing high ticket affiliate marketing. And right now I'm promoting the course that teaches people how they can be a better high ticket affiliate marketer. So if you watch one of my video before, then you know that right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer because I see that lots of people who are in a wealth niche, they are promoting Legendary Marketer and they are making good money by promoting Legendary Marketer. That's why I started with this product. And there are basically 2 reasons that I started promoting this product. First one is Legendary Marketer gives people a great online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. And the second thing is Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And if someone decides to purchase, then you will get a commission. So you can earn up to $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So that's why I choose to promote Legendary Marketer. And they also have a 15-day business builder challenge. So inside this challenge, they will teach you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days with step-by-step video instructions. And inside this challenge, you will also get your one-on-one business plan advisor that will help you to build your customized business plan. So if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. And right now, if you are promoting a different product, then no worries, because the method which I'm going to show you in this video will work on any product. Now, once you select the product to promote, then in a second step, you need to create YouTube Shorts to drive traffic for free. So right now, YouTube Shorts are in high demand, and according to the data, YouTube has 774.6 million monthly active users, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in this world. So you will get a massive reach if you start creating a YouTube Shorts. And YouTube Shorts are very easy and fast to create. So YouTube Shorts are just 15 to 30-second videos. So you can create YouTube Shorts by just using your smartphone, and you don't need your laptop to create these short videos. And you will get thousands and even millions of views in your YouTube Shorts even if you have a new YouTube channel. So right now I will show you my actual YouTube Shorts and explain that which framework I'm using to create all of my YouTube Shorts. So here is my YouTube channel that you are watching right now. And you can see here, I create a lots of YouTube Shorts inside my YouTube channel. And you can see I'm also getting a lots of views inside my YouTube Shorts. You can see 3.5k views, 3.2k, 2.9k, 2.5k. So you can see I only have a 484 subscribers inside my YouTube channel, but I'm getting thousands of views inside my YouTube Shorts. So this is the power of YouTube Shorts, and right now YouTube is promoting YouTube Shorts. So if you have a new YouTube channel, then also you can get thousands and even millions of views inside your YouTube Shorts. So now I will show you one of my YouTube short as an example, and then I will explain that which framework I'm using to create all of my YouTube shorts. So now you are going to watch my YouTube short, and then I will explain that which framework I'm using to create all of my YouTube shorts. If you are looking for an online side hustle and you have less than 1 hour a day to work on that side hustle, then I have a perfect side hustle for you. Because this side hustle doesn't require to create any product or service, no need to deal with any product fulfillment or customer service. And this side hustle is known as affiliate marketing. You can start it today because the products that are already created, and you just simply earn a commission when someone purchases a product or service through your link. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then check the first comment of this video and get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study where I show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commission. So you already watched my YouTube shorts. So I'm using hook, story and offer framework to create all of my YouTube shorts. So inside my hook, at the beginning of this video, I told that looking for an online side hustle and have less than 1 hour a day, because I told you before that right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people how they can be a better affiliate marketer. So I know that my audience interested in starting affiliate marketing, or they are interested in starting some type of side hustle. That's why I created this hook that looking for an online side hustle and have less than 1 hour a day. And the hook is very important. So the first 3 seconds of your YouTube shorts is very important. And if you can grab your audience attention in the first 3 seconds, then they will probably watch your entire reel. And then in a story, I talk about I have a perfect side hustle for you. And inside that side hustle, you don't require to create any product, no product fulfillment, and no customer service. And this side hustle is known as affiliate marketing. And inside the affiliate marketing, you don't need to do anything by yourself. And once someone purchases a product or service through your link, then you will earn a commission. So inside my story, I justify the hook that why affiliate marketing is the best side hustle to start even if you have a less than 1 hour a day. And at the end of my video, I give people call to action, or you can say offer, that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment. Because I know that if my audience is interested in starting side hustle, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So I give people call to action that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment. And when someone check my first comment and click the link inside the comment, then they will go to my funnel, and then I will capture their name and email address that I will show you later in this video. And right now, if you are promoting a different product, you just need to use this simple framework to promote any product. Now in a third step, you need to create a bridge page funnel to build your email list. So as I told you before, I'm creating a YouTube shorts to attack people who are interested in affiliate marketing. And at the end of my video, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment. And if someone click the first comment, then they will come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people's email address who visit this page. So if someone come to this page, then here I capture their name and email address, and once they click submit, then they go to the other page, which is also called the bridge page. and inside that page I have one video that talk about the affiliate product that I'm promoting. And inside this video I told people that if you want to learn more about the product, then click the button below this video, and if someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of the product that I'm promoting, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. And in my landing page, I already captured their name and email address, so I will follow up with them with email automation and promote the product over and over again at the back end. So right now I will show you my actual funnel so you can easily understand. So as I told you before, in all of my YouTube shorts, I give people call to action that if you want to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment. So if someone click here in this first comment, and here I have one link. So if someone click here in this link, then they will come to this page. So inside this page, I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping, without any experience creating products, carrying inventory, or dealing with customers. So if someone wants to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then they click here. And here I ask about the name and email address. And once they give me the name and email address and click here, then they come to this page. So this is the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And here I have a small video that explains that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I talk about the product that I am promoting, Legendary Marketer. I told people that how Legendary Marketer will help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, then click here in this button. And if someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. So here we have a free presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. And inside this free presentation, they will explain everything that my audience will get inside the 15-day business builder challenge. And if my audience is interested, then they click here and they go to the checkout page of Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. And this is the exact challenge that I started with. I joined this challenge and then I learn everything that they teaches me inside this challenge, and then I implement everything that they teach me, and then I started making money as an affiliate marketer. So right now I'm also recommending my audience to start with this challenge, because this is the great challenge that if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way, then you will learn how to start affiliate marketing in just 15 days with step-by-step video tutorial. So if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. And in my landing page, I already capture people's name and email address. So I will follow up with them with email automation and promote Legendary Marketer over and over again. So eventually in future, they will purchase and I will get a commission. And now if you also want to start with Legendary Marketer, then I will allow you to clone my entire affiliate marketing business. So you can copy my entire funnel, you can copy my landing page, my thank you page, as well as my entire email automation sequence with just one click. If you want to learn more about how you can clone my entire affiliate marketing business, then check the link in the description below and you will get a step-by-step video training on how you can copy my entire affiliate marketing business. Now in a step 4, I will show you how you can create an email automation to follow up with your leads. So your email list is the most important asset of your online business because you own your list. That means if you create a content on YouTube, but what if YouTube will ban your account? Then you will lose everything. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. So that's why your email list is the most important asset of your affiliate marketing business. And by using your email list, you can follow up with people via email automation. And as I told you before, you own your list. And one email is equals to at least $1 per month. So if you have 100 people inside your email list, then you can earn at least $100 per month. If you have a 10,000 people email list, then you can earn at least $10,000 per month. So this is the power of your email list. And if you want to grow your affiliate marketing business for the long term, then I highly recommend you to start building your email list now. And the main purpose of your email automation campaign is to solve people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. Because if you are promoting any product, your email list have a confusion that the product will actually help me to solve my specific problem or not. So that's why you need to remove all of the objection of your email list. And once you remove all of their objection, then they will definitely purchase the product that you are promoting and you will get a commission. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and show you that how I am removing the objection of my email list, and then they will purchase a product that I am recommending to them. So this is the software that I am using to create my funnel, as well as my email automation sequence, and this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 people inside your email list. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because in a free plan you will get access of all the tools that you need to start your affiliate marketing business. So if you want to get instant access, then click the link in the description below and create a free account today. Now I will show you my email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, then here you can see this is my email automation sequence, and inside my email automation sequence I have a 23 pre-written emails. So if someone give me their name and email address into this page, then they will get 23 pre-written emails each email per day. And the main purpose of my email automation sequence is to remove people's objection. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, but my audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is a legit or not, and Legendary Marketer will help me to make money online as an affiliate marketer or not. So my email list have a lots of objection. So as an affiliate marketer, my job is to remove all of their objection. And once I remove all of their objection, then they will purchase the product that I'm recommending to them. So as you can see, inside my first email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promised them in my YouTube shorts. So if someone open this email, then inside this email, I have one link. And once they click here on that link, then they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And you can see in my second email, I introduce myself. So inside this email, I told people that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now I'm earning very good money by doing affiliate marketing by taking the training from Legendary Marketer. Because my audience know my story, then they can easily trust me. And once they trust me, then they will purchase a product that I'm recommending to them. So that's why inside my email, I introduce myself. So as you can see, I have a lots of email. So inside this email, I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. I told people that Dev Sharp featured in Entrepreneur magazine, and Entrepreneur is a very big magazine. So Dev Sharp got a chance to feature inside this magazine, then Legendary Marketer is a definitely legit product. And then below the email, I give them link that if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, then click here. And once they click here inside that link, then they will come to this page, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So the main purpose of my email automation is to remove people objection about Legendary Marketer. So here you can see in this email I write affiliate marketing works. So inside this email I give people review of other people who got the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning their first commission by doing affiliate marketing. So I told people that the beginner just like you, they took the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning their very first commission by doing affiliate marketing. So if they can do it, then you can also do it. And then I told people that if you also want to start, then click here inside the email. And once they click here the link inside the email, then again they come to this page. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So you already got my point. The main purpose of my email automation sequence is to remove people's objection for Legendary Marketer. And once I remove all of their objection, then they will purchase and I will get a commission. So this is the exact step that I follow to earn my first $1,000 by doing affiliate marketing. And congratulations to watch the video till the end. So at the beginning of this video, I told you that if you watch the video till the end, then I have a really cool bonus for you. So as a bonus, I want to give you my free affiliate marketing case study. So inside this case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you how I'm driving traffic to that product for free, as well as I will show you my actual funnel and my email automation sequence that I'm using to promote that product. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below and watch this case study today. And now, if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.